Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Happy by Pharrell Williams. This is about an intermediate advanced level dance, so enjoy. So to begin, if you don't know some of the steps that I do in this dance, you can find them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, which I have linked in my description box below. And also, once you're done learning the dance in this video, you can find the link to the short that I posted earlier this week, where I do the dance with music. And you can then get a feel for how the dance feels with music. So everything should be linked in my description box below. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the song starts with 5 beats. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we start right on that sixth beat. So we're going to start on the left foot for this one, which is a little bit weird for me. I tend to start on the right. We're going to start with the left. We're going to do a paradiddle on the right, and then we're going to go dig, spank, heel on the left. So dig, spank, heel on the left, and then shuffle, heel on the right. Okay, so again, we have paradiddle on the left, dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel. And again, that comes right after the 5 beats. So we're going to hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, paradiddle. Let's try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. From here, we're going to go into 2 5-count riffs, right side, left side. We're going to do a 9-count riff with a crawl on the end. And then from here, put your weight in that right toe, and lifting up with your left toe, you're going to go spank, heel, left, right. Okay, so that's kind of an awkward transition there, but once you practice it a little bit, you'll get better at it, and it'll become more natural. So again, we finished shuffle, heel, 2 5-count riffs, and a 9. Okay, from here on Sunshine, She's Here, you're going to go ball change, left, right. On She's Here, you're going to go shuffle, step, heel on your left, and then toe, heel, tip, heel, right, left, sliding on the right, and holding for 4 beats. Okay, so we just finished on the 9-count riff. You're going to go ball change, shuffle, step, heel, tip, heel, slide. Then you hold 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go into a Broadway on the left. Okay, so from the top, we have 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paradiddle, dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, rip, 9-count, ball change, shuffle, step, heel, tip, heel, slide. 1, 2, 3, Broadway. And then from here, after the Broadway, you're going to go stomp, stomp, right, left. So you're going to go Broadway, left, stomp, stomp, right, left. Okay, from the stomp, stomp, you're going to do 2 back essences, once on the right, once on the left. So it's going to go a little bit of the slower one on the right and then faster on the left. So slower on the right and then fast on the left, and then a 3-count riff on the right. So step, scuff, heel. So we came out of our Broadway. We have stomp, stomp, back essence, right, left, 3-count riff. Okay, so Broadway here. Let's try that Broadway into the stomp, stomp, into the back essence. Broadway on the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think that there's a slight pause between the stomp, stomp and the back essence. I can't be 100% for sure on that, but I believe that that's the case. So we ended here on the 3-count riff. We're going to go 2 paradiddles, right, left. Then we have a double paradiddle on the right with a stomp on the left. Okay, and during this, I'm going to probably turn to face this way because when we do the over the tops, which come next, I don't have enough space to do them this way, so I have to turn to do them this way. So we just finished our 3-count riff. We have 2 paradiddles, a double, okay, stomping on the left foot there, that's what I ended with. Now we go into our over the top. We're going to go step, prep, right over left, toe on the left, step, prep, now left over right. Okay, so it's double, step, prep, over, toe, step, prep, over, toe. Okay, and like I said, if you don't know some of these steps, I probably have a tutorial going over them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. Now we're going to go into some drawbacks and Cincinnati's. We're going to do a drawback on the right, Cincinnati on the left, and then from here we're going to go triple cramp roll on the right. Let's see, I'll probably turn this back around so we finished over the top. Then we have our drawback, right, Cincinnati left. And then we have our triple cramp roll on our right foot, shuffle, step, step, heel, heel. And then we go into the chorus section. So the chorus section is going to start with some single time steps. Right foot, left foot. We have 2 of them, so we're going to go 1, 2. And then from here, we're going to do kind of a modified single time step. We're going to go stomp, hop, ball, change on the right side. So we have stomp, hop, ball, change. Regular cramp roll, reverse cramp roll, both on the right. Okay, so let's see, we just did our over the tops. Over the top, drawback, Cincinnati, triple cramp roll, time step. Stomp, hop, ball, change, cramp roll, cramp roll. From here we have 2 Broadways, right side, left side. And if I'm ever going over anything too fast, always know that you can slow it down, you can pause it, you can work on it at whatever speed you need to, okay? From here we have 2 5-count riffs, right side, left side, and then we have a riff rhythm turn on the right. Now the reason I kind of go out to the side here before I do my rhythm turn is because I don't have enough space on my board. Usually you would just go forward with it. Let's see, gotta fix my board here. Usually you would just go forward with it and then straight over. But because I don't have enough space, I have to kind of put my foot in a weird out to the side way. So we do our rhythm turn on the right, heel, heel, toe, toe, and then we start that time step section over again. So we have our 2 time steps, right side, left side, stomp, hop, ball, cramp roll, Broadway, and riff, rhythm turn. Ending it, the whole thing with a stomp, stomp, right, left. Okay, so that was a lot packed into a minute worth of dance. Let's go ahead and do it once all the way through. I'm going to talk us through it, and then we'll do it one more time all the way through, and I won't talk you through it so that you can get a feel for what it feels like up to tempo, like with music, okay? So starting after those 5 beats with that paradiddle, and here we go, ready? Left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big swing heel, riff, 9 count, ball change, shuffle, step, heel, tip, heel, tip, heel, slide, 1, 2, 3, Broadway, back essence, 3 count riff, paradiddle, over top, draw back, Cincinnati, triple cramp roll, time step, stomp, hop, ball change, cramp roll, Broadway, riff, turn, time step, nicely done. We're gonna do it one more time, and I'm not gonna talk us through it this time. That was up to tempo, I believe. So we're gonna do that same tempo, just without me saying the words. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicely done. That's a fast one with a lot packed in there. So nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. I know that I have missed a couple Tuesdays and Thursdays there. Sorry. I haven't been posting regularly because end of year craziness at my local dance studio. So I will begin posting regularly. So watch for my videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Sorry, I'm very out of breath. And if you have any sort of step suggestion or song suggestion, please let me know down in the comments below. I am always looking for, you know, anything new, anything different. So also, if you have a question, let me know in the comment section below about anything. And, you know, in my description box, I have a ton of playlists going over all different sorts of steps, combos. So go ahead and check that out in my description box. And I think that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.